creepiest places on Earth. Damn, nature, you scary. Saturdays. Number 22. Spree Park. Located in Berlin, this entertainment park was first opened in 1969 and was the only such facility in either East or West Berlin. It closed down in 2001, and the future of the park is now unclear. Number 21. La Chirria. That's Spanish slang for city dump, and this is the largest open-air landfill in Central America. Located in Managua, Nicaragua, it's now covered and sealed. Did you know that 50% of the people who live at the dump are children under 18? Number 20. Acton Tanichi Mocano. This cave in Belize is noted as a Maya archaeological site that includes stoneware, ceramics, and skeletal remains. The best-known artifact is the Crystal Maiden, the skeleton of a teenage girl who may have been a sacrifice victim. The sparkling crystallized appearance of her bones is due to calcification. Number 19. Dracula's Castle. It's actually Bran Castle, located in Bran, Romania. It's situated on the Transylvanian border and is among several locations linked to the Dracula legend, and it is said to be a bloody popular spot for tourists. Number 18. Phang Nga Bay, Thailand. This is a site found in one of the bay's many sea caves and is obviously inhabited by bats, as you'll no doubt see in this sobering image from Jerry Redfern. Just look at all those critters hanging up there. Even Batman might have second thoughts about calling this place home. Number 17. Truk Lagoon, also known as Truk Lagoon. It's located within Micronesia. The seabed has become a kind of graveyard for more than 50 major World War II shipwrecks, a number of which lie in clear water. Wrecks of fighter aircraft, tanks, and bulldozers can also be seen, making it a very popular destination for divers. Number 16. Ert Al Volcano. Located in the Afar region of Ethiopia, it's the most active volcano in the country. Tom Pfeiffer's picture shows the spectacular sight as people observe from the volcano's south crater, which contains an active lava lake. Number 15. Now this almost looks like a person strolling through a children's play area, but it's actually the Nueva Esperanza Cemetery located in the Villa Maria shantytown of Lima, Peru. Number 14. Clearwater Cave System. These spectacular caverns are located under Mount Api in Borneo. At 177 kilometers long, it's the 8th longest cave system in the world and is part of Mulu National Park. You can see in these pictures by Robbie Schoen just how vast the caverns are. British researchers exploring the area look like ants within the enormous spaces. The research team discovered fossils and an underground river during their expedition. Did you know Deer Cave at Mulu National Park is home to more than 3 million bats that roost on the cave roof? Number 13. The Door to Hell. This scary site is located in Duiz, Turkmenistan. It's the result of a natural gas crater created when a natural gas field collapsed into an underground cavern in 1971. The fire has been burning non-stop ever since. Number 12. Manpupina rock formations. These are 7 abnormally shaped rock formations located west of Russia's Ural Mountains. The gigantic pillars thrust out of a hilly plateau, as you can see in the photo by Klaus Fengler. If the skiers in the picture look tiny, that's because those stone pillars stand up to 42 meters high. The location is considered one of the 7 wonders of Russia. Number 11. Sinji de Bemera National Park. These forbidding needle-like formations are found in Madagascar. It's a nearly impassable forest of limestone spires, which researchers have found difficult to explore. And that's because the razor-sharp rock can easily slice through equipment and flesh. The area was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1990 due to the unique geography. Number 10. Bloody Hell Pond. John L. Lander's photo of a tree positioned against some misty red water looks like an exotic composition, but this location in Beppu City, Japan, was once considered to be an actual portal to hell. The slimy, reddish coloration of the water and steam is a result of iron oxide deposits oozing to the surface of the hot springs. Because the water temperature could reach 78 degrees Celsius, the pond was once used as a way to torture prisoners before boiling them alive. Number 9. Agresen Kibali. There are no known historical records to prove who built this structure located in New Delhi, India. It's thought to have been constructed in the 14th century and contains 103 steps, which consist of 3 levels. Many locals believe this historic step well was once filled with a black liquid that compelled people to sacrifice themselves. Today, the only inhabitants of this mysterious site are thousands of bats. Number 8. The White Desert. This large desert is located in western Egypt. It's a national park located near the town of Farafra, with a population of around 5,000. The landscape is colored from snow white to cream and features many eerie chalk rock formations, some of them massive in size. It would make for a scary place to be stranded. Number 7. The Black Desert. You can see it here in this picture by Roland Unger. The unusual coloration is a result of the mountains eroding over time and covering the desert with layers of rocks and black powder. A very strange complement to the White Desert, almost as if someone had a plan. Number 6. Pisti Denazin Wilderness. I think I got that name right. Anyway, this is a 45,000-acre wilderness located in New Mexico. The desolate region of greatly eroded badlands was established in 1984, and you'll find many eerie, alien-like rock formations in the area, including some that resemble a sphinx. Number 5. Taylor Glacier. Located in Antarctica, it is also known as Blood Falls, and you can no doubt suss out the reason for that just looking at this picture. While it looks like the glacier is bleeding, that red color is caused by a discharge of iron-rich seawater trapped under the surface. Number 4. Hodge Close Quarry. This creepy-looking place is found in the UK. Just take a look at the cave entrance when the picture is turned on its side. It looks an awful lot like a skull, right? The unused slate quarry is flooded with water and has claimed the lives of several climbers and divers. Number 3. The Island of the Dolls. Now that kinda sounds like the title for a horror movie. Well, you'll definitely find some creepy sights at this location. This island was discovered in the 1990s south of Mexico City. The hundreds of dolls are said to be dedicated to the memory of a little girl who died in the canals years earlier. Number 2. The Suicide Forest. It's located at the northwest base of Mount Fuji in Japan. Also known as the Sea of Trees, the forest has an association with ghosts of the dead. It also has a notorious reputation as Japan's most popular suicide spot, and ranks among the 3 most popular suicide spots in the world. It's said that up to 100 bodies are discovered here each year. Number 1. Photographer Viktor Lagushkin found images at Russia's Blue Lake that can range from beautiful to disturbing. Certain images look as if they belong in a travel brochure showing how the Blue Lake lives up to its name, but other scenes have a quality that one might associate with a horror or sci-fi movie. Look at the woman in a black dress positioned against the green moss. It almost looks like a specter floating in space. Other pictures suggest a diver exploring the sunken wreck of a vessel, or happening upon a swarm of moss-encrusted tentacles sprouting from the lake's depths. Within this underwater cave system, a tree seems out of place. Its gnarled limbs almost appear like a warning to turn back. And just look at these underwater plants emitting that amazing green fluorescent light. But they could easily be mistaken for some form of bizarre alien life. The lake is surrounded by mountains at an altitude of 800 meters and is considered the deepest karst lake in the world, meaning that its water is received from caves below.